Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, FOMC today, 2 o'clock. They'll raise rates. We'll see what the market wants to do with that. I think if we pop off of that, we're going to get a test here of the 9-day on the daily, which is coming in right around 4,200. I want to get to the hourly chart right away this morning because you can see it's really just been a one heading into two-session battle over weekly pivot. It's been a really dead Globex. The bears didn't do anything yesterday to reverse the bounce off of 40.56. The lower high has been put in at 41.29. So if you're the bears, you want to get the Fed stuff out of the way and you want to try to break 40.56. If it doesn't break 40.56 and we start to head higher, especially if it can't take out yesterday's low at 41.29, then I think you're going to see a move up. I mean, it'll go as far as they need it to go. Certainly 42.60 would need a look. Here's that 9-day I was talking about. I don't think there's going to be any in between, and the reality is we might get both. You might get the push down and the push up. Either way, there's going to be a ton of volatility, just a ton of volatility. We had another, we had another good day in the room yesterday. It's just, the tape is providing 3 to 5 opportunities every day to put in, solid trades. It wasn't as opportunistic as Monday. Monday was crazy. They're just, they're handing out, 20 handles here, 20 handles there, literally. You've got hourly mid-band 75.25. Volume weighted average price is at 77. Proprietary moving average right now is at 78. I'm gonna do this. This is a little early in the morning. It's about 5:30 in the morning, but I'm doing it now anyway. 41.77 has been a big bull bear line, and you can take that all the way up to the weekly pivot at 86. So the chunk of price, and you got daily pivot coming in at 66. I know it's a big chunk of price, but there's a lot of vol. So 66 to 86 is really going to be the hinge today as far as if you win that zone, you win the day. So please keep an eye on that, especially in the morning, and then be very mindful. The old pre-FOMC price is up here at 43.07.5. We'll be tracking that in the room. We always do. And let's get the Fed out of the way and on to jobs on Friday. The only thing I would stress to everybody is don't assume what's going to happen with the Fed. Please don't game the Fed. That's a great way to do some really bad stuff to your account. Don't do it. Respect risk, take profits where you find them, and if one direction or the other is not working, it's time to try the other direction. It's been a very two-sided market. Even in the downtrend, it's been very two-sided. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'm back tomorrow with you.